Is it the right time to buy or sell Shopify stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Shopify. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, November 24, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from November 2, 2023, our system has identified Shopify as a potential investment opportunity, giving it a score of 3.74. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. For those who followed our analysis, they would have experienced a remarkable gain of 17.84% since we initially recommended Shopify as a buy candidate just 16 days ago. This means that, on average, the stock has been delivering a daily return of 1.11% since it was listed as a buy candidate. In the short term, the stock is currently in the upper part of a wide and weak rising trend. This could be a great opportunity for short-term traders to consider selling, as we might expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks the top trend line at $70.99, it could indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 3.04% change over the next 3 months. The possible return during this period ranges from -31.11% to 3.98%. On a 12-month scale, the trend suggests a significant 54.17% change. The potential return for the next year falls between 5.84% and 55.72%. This translates to a price range of $74.46 to $109.55 after 12 months. Our latest update for Shopify brings an important headline: Shopify stock downgraded to buy candidate. On the last day of trading, the Shopify stock price experienced a decrease of -0.86%, going from $70.96 to $70.35. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 1.4%, reaching a low of $70.23 and a high of $71.21. It's worth noting that the price has risen in 8 out of the last 10 days, showing a positive trend. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock has increased by 16.53%. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased along with the stock, which can be seen as a positive sign, as volume should follow the stock's movement. Specifically, the trading volume fell by -5 million shares on the last day, with a total of 5 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $354.70 million. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached was $71.58, while the lowest price was $32.35. Currently, the price is 1.72% below the 52-week high, which amounts to $1.23. Moreover, it is 96.01% below the all-time high, which was reached on November 19, 2021, when the price peaked at $1,762.92. Today, let's talk about analyst ratings for the stock of Shopify. On Friday, November 3, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave Shopify an equal weight grade, suggesting a hold action. Moving back to October 16, 2023, Morgan Stanley once again gave Shopify an equal weight grade, but this time with an initialize action. Also on October 16, 2023, Needham rated Shopify as a buy with an initialize action. Similarly, on that same day, Piper Sandler gave Shopify an overweight grade with an initialize action. Going back to August 31, 2023, Canaccord Genuity upgraded Shopify's rating to buy with an upgrade action. Analysts have given a general buy rating for Shopify stock. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. Let's take a look at the signals identified for Shopify. The Shopify stock has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of price corrections downwards, there will be support from the lines at $69.15 and $57.49. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, there were also some negative signals issued, which may have an influence on the near short-term development of the stock. On Wednesday, November 22, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a price decrease of -0.86% so far. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot is found. It is worth noting that volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, there was a buy signal. Pivots, there was a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, there was a buy signal 19 days ago. Short-term moving average, there was a buy signal 18 days ago. Long-term moving average, there was a buy signal 17 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, there was a buy signal 15 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see that the short moving average had a buy signal 17 days ago. The long-term moving average also had a buy signal 17 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages had a buy signal 3 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Shopify. When it comes to support levels for Shopify's stock, there are a couple to keep in mind. Just below today's level, there's accumulated volume support at $66.49 and $61.47. It's important to note that when a stock tests a support level, there's a natural risk involved. If the support level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Shopify finds support just below today's level at $66.49. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $61.47 and $59.70. It's worth mentioning that this stock can be quite volatile during the day, which means it experiences significant price movements. Additionally, the Bollinger Band indicates a wide prediction interval for this stock, classifying it as a very high-risk investment. Looking at the past day, the stock had a price difference of 98 cents between its high and low, representing a 1.4% change. Over the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.84%. Let's start by exploring some important fundamental data before we delve into the potential good trading levels for Shopify. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative PE ratio, it means they are either experiencing losses or not making any profits. Established companies might face temporary downturns due to external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios could indicate insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 21, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.240. It's important to keep a close watch on these numbers as they have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, let's dive into the potential day trading levels for Shopify. If the stock is on an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level at $70.96. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before considering a position. For those who already own shares, this could be a great opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Shopify has a support level at $66.49. If the stock manages to hold this support level, it could serve as an attractive entry point, with the potential for a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Shopify has a combined average rating of buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Shopify Strategic Holdings 3 LLC. They bought and sold a total of 17,809,464 shares or options in the company. Based on the 7 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 71.562. Overall, insiders have purchased 38,718,369 shares and sold 4,280,175 shares in the last 7 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $67.66, which represents a decrease of 3.83%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, leading to a higher level of risk. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was detected just 1 day ago. Is investing in Shopify stock a good decision? When looking at the short-term signals and the overall trend, we can see positive indications. This suggests that the current level of Shopify stock might present a buying opportunity. However, it's important to note that there are some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, so we have adjusted our conclusion from a strong buy to a buy candidate. After carefully examining the volatility and movements of the stock in the previous trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. For Monday, November 27th, we anticipate Shopify to open up with a gain of $0.247, starting at $70.60. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view of the stock with you. We value your opinion, so please let us know if you agree or disagree by commenting below. We're also curious to hear your target for this stock. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. As always, we wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Thank you for being here with us at Stock Invest.